Wanting to start your own cannabis business? Here are some tips to establish a cannabis dispensary business for beginners. Due to the rapid growth and legalization of the cannabis industry in various parts of the globe, so many people are now picking interest in establishing a compliance consulting or cannabis dispensary business. However, there are so many things that must be put into place if you want to stand out and set up a business that will yield good profit in a short time. Number 1. Understanding the risk. Establishing a dispensary business can be quite challenging at present, because marijuana is still regarded as a drug with no medical value under the federal law. Therefore, it is essential to seek the advice of an attorney on how to become a cannabis compliant before investing in this industry. Also remember that there are disparities between various federal and states' law on the use of marijuana. Number 2. Build the dispensary team. Make a development team that understands the compliance consulting in your state. Operating a medical marijuana dispensary business in some countries can only function through state government med programs, overseen by state departments of public health. Your team should have these following roles: a doctor, bud tender, financial expert, writer or lawyer, extraction technician, clone producers, edibles chef, horticulturists, administrator, security personnel, zoning expert, inventory, courier. Number 3. Understanding the financial requirements. It is also vital to understand the financial requirement of establishing a cannabis dispensary in your state. This will enable you to weigh your options and save a lot of money, time, and effort that would have been wasted. Number 4. Getting an excellent location. In establishing a cannabis dispensary business, it is essential to consider your location. Remember that there are so many rules governing the real estate business in various parts of the state, therefore you need an appropriate document stating compliance with both state and federal laws. Number 5. Write your business plan. It is essential to write down your business plans, goals and organizational mission statement, and also get a marijuana dispensary license that will allow you to operate without interference from the state. It is well known that there are a lot of gray areas in this kind of business. Nug Digital Marketing is an expert cannabis marketing industry who can help you. With those said, thank you for watching.